stop buying dirt. Look what nature does. This is how nature makes soil. This is how we make soil in the forest. Look at this, it's breaking down. This is almost dirt. So next time you want to put out your branches and leaves, vegetation to the street for the county to come pick up, stop. Make your own dirt, make your own soil. Just start composting it. If you don't like having big branches laying around, invest in a small wood chipper and they will decompose faster. But if you have a wet area, if you have an area that floods, dump your vegetation there. And within a year, you'll start decomposing like this. And you can throw it to a wood chipper or just leave it or cover it up with some leaves, cover up with some dirt. But nature is amazing. Look at this. Look at this. This is how we make dirt at the Dancing Treetops Family Farm. We save everything. Nothing leaves the land. We turn it into dirt. This is how we make soil at Dancing Treetops Family Farm. We have a lot of tree trimmers bring wood chips, and over the next 6 months to a year, all of a sudden we have soil. And we make your own soil by collecting all vegetation. Nothing leaves the land. Everything is being turned into soil. Just mix it up. Branches, leaves, green cuttings, everything you have. Do not let anything leave your property. Turn it into soil. Fill up your wet areas. Just see this as gold. This blueberry, wild blueberry plant, native to Florida, has seed itself on top of a decomposing tree trunk. And look at that. It is dirt. It is growing material. Here's another blueberry with some ferns and lots of other things. Nothing goes to waste in nature, and that's what we try to mimic at the Dancing Treetops Family Farm. We let nature to guide us. Look at this. Decomposing tree top with so much life. So just fill up garden beds with vegetation. Don't let anything leave your property. Collect it in one place. Add leaves, add green grass clippings, whatever you have. And all of a sudden, you will have raised an area that was otherwise wet. You will have created a great, healthy, nutritious garden bed for your vegetables and plants. I love finding a decomposing tree trunk like this. This is like gold. It will turn into soil faster than anything fresh and newly cut will do. I want to add it to my pile. This is an old tree that fell down, probably in one of the hurricanes. Might be 2 years old. Look at the stage of decomposition. This area floods part of the year, and of course that helps increase the rate of decomposition. But look at this. It's already turning into soil. Beautiful. Nature is amazing. Today I'm out collecting debris from the woods at our land to make sure that it doesn't become a fire hazard. It's been so dry. Instead, I'm just turning it all into soil and raising areas that need to be raised. Look at this. Beautiful.